Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Mini Cooper versus Cooper S. Let's dive into the key differences to help you decide which model best suits your driving style and needs. We'll explore engine performance, handling characteristics, and overall driving experience. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed choice. Get ready to discover the perfect Mini for you. When it comes to performance, the Cooper S truly shines with its more potent engine, delivering quicker acceleration and a more exhilarating ride. Its sport-tuned suspension provides sharper handling, making it a joy on winding roads. The standard Cooper, while still fun, offers a smoother, more relaxed driving experience, perfect for daily commutes and city driving. Considering practicality, the standard Mini Cooper often presents a more budget-friendly option, both in initial purchase price and ongoing running costs. Its better fuel efficiency can save you money at the pump. While the Cooper S offers thrilling performance, it typically comes with a higher price tag and potentially increased insurance premiums. So, which Mini is better for you? If you crave exhilarating performance, sharp handling, and a more aggressive driving feel, the Cooper S is your ideal match. However, if you prioritize comfort, fuel efficiency, and a lower entry price for a stylish compact car, the standard Mini Cooper is an excellent choice. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.